So due to this reason I selected this English. But and I am also homemaker. There was no need for me because I was doing my household chores, so there was not sufficient for. But it doesn't matter if we know each and every step. We can learn anything, just like we have any some desires, some a specific goal, specific object. So then maybe and also ultimately and more.
As we are meeting very for the first time, so please, first of all, you should introduce yourself. Then after I'll introduce myself, it will be better for us. So we will know each other.
So
Please introduce
thank you
yourself.
for giving me this opportunity for introduce myself. My name is Reena. I am from Haryana. I am mother of two kids as well. And if you talk about my education, I have done Master of Art MA with the Political Science in 2019. And if you talk about my hobbies, I love dance as well as I love listening a song, and I'm self-motivated person. So this is pretty much about me.
Okay, that was nice introduction from your
Um,
side. So now it's my turn to introduce myself. This is me, Muhammad Imran. I'm from Pakistan. So by profession, I'm an electrical engineer. So I have also a small YouTube channel where I upload conversational videos, solo video, and some short video I want to upload on my YouTube channel. My hobby are listening and speaking. So these days I'm very curious about to learn this beautiful language. So this is pretty much about me. Yeah,
nice, nice, Imranji. Very nice. You have
yeah.
given me. So, how was your day today?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, my day was good. It was pretty well. So tell me, say something. How was your day? So how was your English journey? So when did you start your English journey? So how is your English journey? Tell me, say something about your English journey. So how did you improve your English? It's your first time you start your YouTube channel. So yesterday I texted you. You told me I have a small YouTube channel. So I'm the same page. So we are also small YouTube. So we are just means that we can improve, we can brush up, boost up our confidence to speak English to someone just for English improvement. Right now we are here. So yeah, tell me say something about your English.
Yes, sir. I started 6 months ago speaking, and I was unable to express my thought easily in my starting days. I had many vocab, simple vocab, basic vocab, and basic grammatical rule. I knew, but I didn't want to describe all those thoughts. So then I gave my effort and I wanted to watch another people videos on the YouTube and anywhere, just like you are here speaking something. So I wanted to watch over and over again, and then but then I thought I am illiterate. I can't do anything, and how can I describe on my inside thought and outside thought. Then I give my effort, and then I wanted to spend my time with English, and sometimes I felt embarrassed. I felt disappointed. I can't do. I'm unable to do. What should I grow? What should I speak with others, with the
Yeah.
non-person, unknown person, and deliberately, undeliberately, I wanted to give my effort. Then I believed in myself. I will do, and it's essential for me because I had also so many vocab, and it may be based, it may be advanced. I don't know, but I had a knowledge in my school days, and then I learned that time, but now I'm not learning any vocab, anything. I spend my day just like similarly I wanted to use in my earlier time. So next time and similar way I spend my time. I do my some activity every single day. because I don't have any other support, any someone those are helping me most of the time. But my mind wanted to go any negative way. I wanted to uh, think more and more towards on just like I can't express here, but sometimes we don't know about our intelligence, about our wisdom. So then I thought about me. English will be easy for me because I
Yeah,
will have to my uh, try my effort over and over again because it's not easy language. If it were be easy, it was be easy, everyone can speak easily. They live around ourselves, our neighborhood, our family members, or all over in his community. They would be speak properly if it were busy. So it's not busy. If we give our effort 10 and 20%, then we can do. And every English is a great. Maybe in a school days, any teachers, he uh, he told us it's not easy. If whatever any more and more vocab you learn, then so you have more knowledge towards on English, onwards on English. And moreover, in order to we can do, it's not difficult, it's not easy if we are interested. So I'm interested, I'm curious towards on my English, so that's why I spent few time, just like 20 minute, 10 minute I give. And so this is the short way for towards on me.
that's very nice. Your English, yes, that's really amazing from your side. So now you are very curious. You want to learn this beautiful language. You give time to that language. You want to improve your communication skills. That's really amazing for everybody, not only for you. So if I talk about my English journey, when I was start my English journey at that time, I was not able to. I can speak even single word. After that, I was thinking how to improve my English. When I was watching some YouTube videos. After that, I come across some videos. I watched some conversational video as well as other English related videos. So I thought the people what they are doing as like a conversational video, other related. So then after this idea come in my mind, then after I start this conversational video, it's really helpful for us. So English, it is not our first language. It want to time. If you can give time to it, so of course, it's true you can improve English very short span of time. But English is needs to consistency. Without consistency, we will not improve our English. So other thing is that we should try our best in the first initial stage. We can use simple words, vocab. We are not jump into very advanced level as like idiom, expression, and other thing. So in the passage of time, we can use all of these words. It can come the passage of time. So we should try our best. We can give time to English. So step by step, we will improve each and everything. Every angle we will improve our English. It will be not too much difficult for us. So just for that purpose, I created my YouTube channel. So when you can create YouTube channel, so through this channel you can meet with foreigner people. You can communicate with them just for 20 minutes, 10 minutes even. But English just want to consistency. But unfortunately, sometimes we don't have time, so we can practice. We can find a partner for ourselves through this application. So I did added in this team application. It was before Skype application. Now it's converted into team application, but there is no recording option. It's added. So now this application, people want to use a geometry application. For this application, they want to record. So it's also the best application you can talk on video calls. So audio call is not that much comfortable for a person. Your body language, your eye contact, even your body gesture is not suitable for a person. And we can talk to on video call your contact to other person. So automatically everything gets depend on your body language. If you will become comfortable, you can speak English to the second person, so he can track your words and your body language, each and everything. So it's really helpful for us. We can talk to each other. We can find a good partner for ourselves. If we don't have any partner, just we can try to we record ourselves for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So we can make mistake after video. We can check ourselves. Here a little mistake. The mistake we can remove from ourselves. So step by step it will be improved. So it is not a rocket science. It's a piece of cake. Just it needs to consistency, and step by step we will improve. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
What do you
step.
say about it?
Yes. If we are not consistent, we are not speaking after a long time. It's like maybe it takes 1 year we had left, then we can't speak. So it needs to consistency, continuity, and quickly. If we try, there is no need. If we have learned once, so twice a day, twice a time, we can speak because I had left once, then I twice a time I had left, and next time I have also started here. I'm talking to you because I had known how can we speak with properly with someone. There is no matter though those person they know us, they don't know us. It doesn't matter if we have some ambition. We would like to express our thought easily because once we have taught any somewhere these rules, that method we apply in our daily routine. So we use any small sentences during the time during the do our work. So it's also very fine. Maybe everybody and everyone knows about it. How can which strategy we apply, which method we apply in our daily routine. So it's also very fine. And I had given up this habit, and after maybe 4 month, fifth month, it has been given. And then I went another school for giving any resume. So that lady, she was also PhD, and I had described my thought in front of her. And after that I came my home, and I thought myself, what happened, Reena? And you didn't practicing anywhere with someone, and how did you speak with her? So I would like to share here, everyone can do if we know how can we because we have learned it. Just like based on mathematics, we will have to learn and learn any formula, anything. So it's also because we have understood once, so next time there is no problem. We must not fish anywhere uh, because I also thought myself it will be easy for me because I was at good at English in my school days. Moreover, I watched one videos. She was the Hati ma'am, and then I watched her videos, and I thought her, and she has done also 12th pass, and she is very fluent. And then I thought, I don't speak in this way. What method she has applied in her life? So, but I at that time I was unable to understand also. But gradually I started, so everything is easy. And due to this reason, I am also speaking with just like here. And sometimes I speak with inside my home as well. and if so it's also best way for performs inner self. And if you feel free, just like you one day for a challenge, it will be challenge for you. You are free. You had a challenge, just like I will give you a movie.